Hello everyone, this is my review of the BBQ multi-purpose lighter. I like this lighter because it's not very easy to light, so you can be safe to not have your children use it to light the house on fire. You have to take a bit of effort to get it to light, but it does light pretty good. But when I had my niece try to light it, she couldn't even figure out how to get it light. So that's one good thing I like about it, that it's not easy for them to play around with it and to burn down your house. But it does light pretty well, as you can see here. Okay, I'm going to go and light up a candle to show you that you can use it to light candles, not just your barbecue as well, or birthday candles or anything like that. So it's a pretty good product. I recommend it, and I hope that this review helped.